I'm so sorry about that. Oh my God, the phone rang and I didn't know how to cut it off. But anyway, this is the finished chicken. And this is what it looks like. And that's the zucchini. This is the chicken. So now I'm going to taste the chicken. And we'll see what it tastes like. Let me grab a knife. Not speaker. Okay. 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 Someone was on speaker on the phone. I had to have them take it off. Okay, so now, sorry, cutting the chicken. And we're going to see what it tastes like. No, it's delicious. Here we go. Okay, so this is the chicken. You can see it has gravy on it, everything. I'll try to get a mushroom with it. And I don't want to burn my mouth here. Oof, blow it. Okay. Of course, it's delicious. And then this is the chicken and gravy on the rice. So good. Superb. And then, of course, the zucchini. Very good. Now, I'm going to cut a piece of chicken for you to try. And I want you to, try it with the gravy. It's delicious. That's for you. Anyway, thank you for watching my baked chicken video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you use the recipe. It really works, and the family seems to love it. So take care, and thank you so kindly. And this is Slot Girl Cheryl's Kitchen. Good evening.